Welcome to the RT Money Minute. Let's take a look at Euro JPY, Euro Yen. Okay, what do we have? What we have here on the weekly is that price has found itself an order block, a monthly order block. All right, price ran bullishly up into here, all up in it, right? Breaking structure to the top side, breaking this high here. It's taking the liquidity from here. All right, the people that are in stops, that have stop losses up here that are taking shorts. We closed higher, knocked those people out of their shorts, and triggered people for longs. And we're going in the opposite direction. Yes, I believe that there are going to be further declines from this monthly order block, and we're seeing that play out now. Now let's go to this is the weekly time frame. Let's go to the daily, and on the daily, what do we see? We see the price action a little clearer: lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Right? We found ourselves another order block, a 3-day bullish order block. Price responded bullishly, breaking this high here. All right. And that is a break of structure because this was a legitimate pullback. Okay. What did we do though? Upon close inspection, we wicked higher than these highs. What did we do? We stole. Well, market makers stole anyway. Triggered the people that had pending orders for buys, looking for a breakout, and it stopped people out who were taking shorts, and that's all it did. We made this bearish order block here and then fell. You can see that price wanted to maintain after a shift from bullish momentum to bearish momentum. Price wants to maintain that bearish momentum by creating bearish order blocks and maintaining them along the way. We fell into a daily order block, which I have refined to an 8-hour order block. You'll see on the next time frame. All right, and you see how I refined it down to this 8-hour order block, and this is what I was waiting for. I was waiting for price to come into contact with the 3-day and with the refined 8-hour order block here. And what am I looking for? I'm looking for a bounce because we had that break of structure to the top side. So as long as we don't break this lower point here, price is still maintaining bullish momentum. Yeah, there was a bearish a fall here, but we didn't break the structure. All right, so until that's violated, we're still we still have bullish momentum. Okay, and what was that? I was going to say something here. Um, Look at the what do you call this? The candlestick pattern. All right. This is a morning star, right? A sign of reversal. Yes, I do believe that we're going to see further gains in this market, at least up to this bearish order block here at this uh, daily order block. All right, this daily bearish order block. All right, we're gonna at least get up here, and we'll see what happens here. If you took your buy from this lower from the 8-hour order block, if you took your buy here, good. TP around here, have a TP1, have a TP2 here, because what I like to see is price make a higher high. All right, keep the larger time frame in mind because that's what structure is. That's the structure that is framing the smaller time frame. All right, we're working within these lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Okay, we broke that lower high, so now things switch bullish. So we're going to be looking for higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high until we get up there. All right, because that's the bigger time frame structure. Got it? I hope you do. Uh, Leave a comment, leave a like, and make sure you subscribe so that you can catch all the updates. I will see you in the next video. And check out the 2 videos that are on your screen now.